Hello student, welcome back to my YouTube channel Math Tutorial by Dibesh sir. My name is Dibesh and I am going to teach NCERT chapter number 3, lecture number 2. Before starting the class, let us recall the previous video. We have discussed about what is matrix, types of matrix, properties of matrix. For better understanding, check the I button to see the full video lecture of my previous video. So today's topic is transpose of matrix. If Aij m cross n, then A transpose is equal to A dash Aji n cross m. So row changes to column, column changes to row. See here, it is Ij and this is Ji. Then order is reverse, m cross n, then n cross n. See example, if A is equal to 3 root 2 minus 2, 1, 2, 5, 2 cross 3, then A transpose becomes row changes to column, that is 3 root 2 minus 2, 3 root 2 minus 2, 1, 2, 5, 1, 2, 5. So clearly it has 2 row and 3 column, but it has 3 row and 2 column. That's why it is 3 cross 2 and this is 2 cross 3. So order is reversed. Next, symmetric matrix. If A transpose is equal to A, then it is symmetric matrix. It must be square order. Example, if A is equal to 1, 3, minus 5, 3, 0, 2, minus 5, 2, minus 7, then A transpose is equal to row changes to column. 1, 3, minus 5, 1, 3, minus 5, 3, 0, 2, 3, 0, 2, minus 5, 2, minus 7, minus 5, 2, minus 7. So if you see the value of A transpose and A, both are equal, that is 1, 3, both are equal, that's why it is called symmetric matrix. Next, skew symmetric. If A transpose is equal to minus A, then matrix is called skew symmetric. But this principal diagonal must be 0, that is diag A 1, 1, 2, 2, A n is equal to 0. For example, A is equal to 0, minus 2, 1, 2, 0, minus 5, minus 1, 5, 0. Then A transpose is equal to row changes to column, that is 0, minus 2, 1, 0, minus 2, 1, 2, 0, minus 5, 2, 0, minus 5, minus 1, 5, 0, minus 1, 5, 0. Now find A minus A, that is minus multiplied with all the entity, that is 0, 2, 1, minus 1, 0, 2, minus 1, minus 2, 0, 5, minus 2, 0, 5, 1, minus 5, 0, 1, minus 5, 0. Now if you check the entities of minus A and A transpose, see here A transpose and minus A, that is 0, 2, minus 1, 0, 2, minus 1, minus 2, 0, 5, minus 2, 0, 5, 1, minus 5, 0, 1, minus 5, 0. Both are equal. So clearly they are called skew symmetric matrix. Next points to be remembered, if A is a square matrix, then A plus A transpose is symmetric, and A minus A transpose is skew symmetric, and A is equal to B plus C, where B is equal to A plus AT by 2 and C is equal to A minus AT by 2. Some properties of addition and multiplication regarding transpose, that is A plus B whole transpose is equal to A transpose plus B transpose. A transpose whole transpose is equal to A. K times of A whole transpose is equal to K times of A transpose. Thanks for watching my video. If there is any feedback or comment regarding video, then do let me know in the comment box. Thank you.